Hi. All right, so today we are going to draw the characters from our book. So first we're going to draw the bear. So we're going to start off with one big circle. So let's draw one big circle on this side. Just like that. And then we're going to draw the bunny, which is going to be a smaller oval on this side. So after we have our bear head and our bunny head. So let's work on the bear a little more. We are going to do a half circle for the bear's ears. Half circle. Half circle for the bear's ears. Now let's work on the bunny's ears. The bunny's ears are kind of like a long oval shape. Just like that. And another one. It's a long circle for the bunny's ears. Now let's work on the bear. Let's have the bear getting ready to sneeze. So we're gonna do a half circle line. His eyes are closed. And another half circle line. And then we're gonna do his eyebrows, which is gonna be one straight line here and one straight line here. Now let's move on to the bunny's eyes, which are going to be two little ovals, 1 and 2. Now that we're done with the eyes, let's work on the nose. So for the bear's nose, we are going to do one circle. Just like that. For the bunny's nose, we are going to do one small oval this way. Just like that. And let's do the bear's mouth when he's sneezing. Right after he went achoo. Next, let's draw the bear's neck and shoulders, which will be a line to the bottom and a line to the bottom, a curved line, a curved line. And we'll do the same on the bunny, a curved line down and a curved line down. Lastly, we are going to draw the wind. So let's do the wind right up here. So we're gonna do one straight line, kind of looking like a triangle. Then we're gonna draw her eyelashes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After we're done with her eyelashes, we're gonna do her dots for her eyes. Quick little dots. Then we're gonna draw her nose. And she was very worried in this story. So we're gonna make her with a sad face. She was very worried. And then we're gonna do kind of like a cloud. Nice and slow. And now we have our bear, bunny, and our wind. Now it is time to color. So let's put our cap on our marker and get ready to color. And there we go. So, you know what we can add, since we have some space, is let's add some leaves that are blowing in the wind. So remember, let's do an oval and a line, an oval and a line. Do a line right in the middle. Put them all over. There we have our leaves with our bear and our bunny and the wind. So let's color those leaves. All right, friends, we are done. I'm excited to see what your bear, bunny, and wind with your leaves looks like. Thanks for watching. Bye.